Hey, SEO enthusiasts! Are you unknowingly harming your website with these SEO myths? Today, I'm going to bust 5 of the biggest SEO myths that could be hurting your website's performance. Stick around, because once you know the truth, you'll be ready to optimize your site the right way. Myth hash 1. SEO is a one-time thing. Many people think SEO is a one-time job, but the truth is, SEO is an ongoing process. Once you optimize your website, you can't just forget about it. Search engine algorithms are constantly changing, and so is the competition. You need to keep improving your content, fixing technical issues, and staying up to date with SEO best practices. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Myth hash 2. Keywords are everything. Sure, keywords are important, but they're not the be-all and end-all. Focusing too much on keywords can lead to keyword stuffing, which will hurt your rankings. Instead, focus on providing high-quality, informative content that answers your audience's questions. Google cares more about user intent and content relevance than just keywords. So, create valuable content first, and optimize your keywords naturally. Myth hash 3. More links equals better rankings. Many people still believe that the more backlinks you have, the higher you'll rank. But it's not about quantity, it's about quality. A few high-quality backlinks from trusted sites are far more valuable than hundreds of low-quality links. Focus on building relationships, getting backlinks from authoritative sources, and producing great content that others want to link to. Myth hash 4. SEO is only for Google. Google is the biggest search engine, but it's not the only one. Bing, Yahoo, and even platforms like YouTube and Amazon are important search engines too. When optimizing your website, consider how it performs across multiple search engines. Diversifying your SEO strategy can help you reach a broader audience and increase traffic. Myth hash 5. SEO results are instant. SEO is a long-term investment. Unlike paid ads, you won't see immediate results from SEO. It takes time for search engines to crawl and index your content, and even longer to rank higher. Don't expect overnight success. Keep refining your strategy, and over time, your efforts will pay off with steady, sustainable growth. Now that we've debunked these myths, you can stop hurting your website with outdated SEO practices. Stick to proven, up-to-date strategies, and watch your website's performance grow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified of more SEO tips. Until next time, happy optimizing!